This is an important thing I'm going to mention to you, right? At the open, being far away from the 20 is less important. Listen to me carefully. Refresh, Usman. Being far away at the 20 is less important than later after the opening period. Why? Because your 20 period moving average is largely calculating data from yesterday. The 20 becomes increasingly more and more important as time brings in the activity of today. Does this make sense, traders? That at the start of the day, your 20 is reflecting yesterday's activity, but yesterday's activity is not important to us right now. So the 20, as bars start to formulate, now the 20, all right, is incorporating enough of today's data to be relevant to us today. All right. So it's a little less important in the beginning of the day whether you are close or far. Not zero importance, less important. Okay. But the number of bars is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm starting again. No, I'd rather start on the pullback. Okay. So that's the first thing, Jonathan. A little late for me. I'm glad it worked, but a little late for me. Okay. I love Jonathan's ability to sit through that pullback. This is the number one key to rapid trader development. Your ability to sit through a pullback and in a mature fashion, watch your P&L disappear, but not freak out. All right? And this is very important to me. When are those times you want to sit through a pullback? Well, when your stock has experienced impressive strength. No big trader ever becomes a big trader without this ability, without being able to sit through a pullback and patiently find the moment to strike again. Boom, boom. And I love those ads. There's an additional one here too, the RBI. But there was already 2 ads made by Jonathan, so I'm okay with missing this third one. All right. But the pullback is very nice. It started off strong, but then it started drifting. All right. Not breaking that 50% level of the power. I love it. 20 now the 20 starts to become really relevant. All right. Okay. Moving averages aren't that much important at the open FIGO period, no matter which one you're talking about, maybe with the exception of the 200, but all right. Now, let's talk. So we did all the ads, right? I didn't like this one too much, but love this one, and even that one, if you would have made that. Let's look at this profit takes all by themselves. Profit take here, here, here. Let's look at the cells and then here. Okay. There seems to be one. Ah, that's right, Jonathan. Jonathan nailed it. He's missing one, isn't he? He even said it himself. I'm missing one. Do you see the missed opportunity? I mean, I know we're looking at hindsight, but do you guys see it? The new high, absolutely. So guys, look, If Jonathan took here and then took there, why not take here and then take there? All right. So you can't let you can't let those go. Now, here's the redeeming factor for him. In my mentorship program, I want the last lot. I want the market to take the last lot away from the trader. I don't want the trade. You see, this is Jonathan taking. This is Jonathan taking. That's not the market taking. This is Jonathan taking. And I'm okay with the traders taking. So I explain it to them like this. You have two takers. Your ego is one taker of profits and the market is the other. I will allow ego, use your ego to take it. Why do I call these ego takes? Because ego is saying, I know when it's time to take profits. I am the master here. I know when the game is over. I know when this should stop going up. I know when I should start ending the game. All right, that's ego. I know. Then, but I don't want ego to be your last lot, I tell them. So I want the market to take you out. What does that mean? One of your trailing stops. So this is still a wrong trailing stop, simply because this stock got too far from the moving average to be having your stop way down here. You've got to adjust that to tighten up a little bit. The other thing here is that I don't like traders to lose the new high once they have it. So you've got this, if we look at all the wrinkles in the play, right? So you have this, 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 all right? Losing this, I don't really like too much unless, all right, unless you have extra shares where you take and now on the rest, you're going to lose it with a deeper stop. I'm okay with that. But here's the reason why I would prefer Jonathan not to lose this new high that was gained, which he lost it. This is the new high, but he lost the new high. The reason is because what is this called? Which animal is that? What's that? It's whale complete. Why do you want to let you cast your net into the ocean, right? This is your net you cast into the ocean, right? I'm a terrible net drawer. But this is your net you cast into the ocean right there. And you got your whale. He said, you got him. And then you let him go. Like you let the whale go. Don't let this whale go if it's your last lot. All right? Don't let that whale go if it's your last lot.